Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... What if I told you that two YouTubers stepped into a space many believe should belong to the government? Not politicians, not officials, but Colaz and Aunty Donna. And what they're doing right now, Jamaica is watching very closely, because this isn't just content anymore. This feels like something bigger. Welcome back to CCN World TV News, where we cover the stories behind the creators shaping Jamaica. Today we're talking about two names you already know, Colaz, Aunty Donna. But this time, it's not about views, not about vibes. It's about impact. For years, Jamaican YouTube has been entertainment, pranks, vlogs, lifestyle. But something has changed. Creators are no longer just entertainers. They're becoming voices, leaders, even providers. They are becoming voices, the voice of the people. And no two people present that shift more right now than Colaz and Aunty Donna. While many are chasing trends, these two are stepping into real life situations, helping people, showing up, doing what others simply aren't doing. Let's start with Aunty Donna. Because her name carries something powerful, trust. When Aunty Donna shows up, people listen. When she speaks, people respond. And when she acts, people feel it. She has consistently used her platform to support others, uplift communities, and bring attention to real-life struggles, not just for content, but with purpose. And that's where things start to get interesting, because when influence meets intention, impact becomes undeniable. Let's look at Colaz. He didn't just build a YouTube channel, he built a movement. From mentoring upcoming creators to putting his team in positions to earn for themselves. Colaz is changing how people see YouTube in Jamaica. It's no longer just about content. It's about opportunity. We've seen individuals who once had fixed limited income now creating their own paths because someone showed them how. And that someone is Colaz. But here's the real question. Is this still just influence? Or is this leadership? Now, here's where the conversation gets deeper. Because what Colaz and Aunty Donna are doing is creating a conversation across Jamaica. A quiet question that more and more people are starting to ask. Why does it feel like YouTubers are stepping up while others are stepping back? And whether you agree or not, that question is getting louder. This isn't about replacing anyone, but it is about recognizing something new. A shift in power, a shift in influence, a shift in who people are starting to look to in times of need. Now, let's be clear. This isn't perfect. There are debates, there are critics, there are people who question the intentions, and that's fair. Because when influence grows, so does scrutiny. But what cannot be ignored is the results. People are being helped, opportunities are being created, stories are being told, and that matters. So, now we ask the question, is this just a moment, or is this the beginning of something bigger? Are we witnessing the rise of a new kind of leadership in Jamaica? One driven not by position, but by presence, action, and influence. Because if this continues, Jamaica may never look at YouTubers the same way again. What do you think? Are Colaz and Aunty Donna doing what others won't? Or is this being blown out of proportion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more real, unfiltered Jamaican YouTube stories, subscribe to CCN World TV News. Because the story is just getting started.